Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other late night keys. I'm your host, Corey. So a few months ago, I found this great Gotham City cocktail book. I'm a big Batman fan, and I thought, okay, this ought to be fun. We could, play around with some of these. And there's a Joker movie coming out this year. I was like, oh yeah, I have found an Arthur Fleck cocktail glass. Like, sweet. And then I saw the movie. Let's just say this video probably this video has probably been out at least a week since the movie has been out. So you've either A, you've seen it, or B, you've read the reviews. And I will say this is the craziest movie that I've seen, that people will spoil it and nobody's mad that they spoiled it. And it just makes me glad I'm not a movie reviewer. I mean, you got all these great Joker stories for the past, 80 years that they could have adapted, but here we are. Anyway, there's a perfect cocktail in here that's very fitting for this, called The Last Laugh. And God knows we need a drink after that movie. And always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right. So this cocktail is basically a takeoff of The Last Word. The only thing that's really different is that it uses mezcal and it's using lemon juice. Oh, and it also has an absinthe rinse. It gives like an amount, but a little trick I've seen for, I think it's a Sazerac. People have gotten these little atomizers and put absinthe in it, so you don't waste a bunch of it and like swirling around and spew it out. But that's neither here nor there. So this thing is all equal parts, except for the absinthe. The recipe calls for 3/4 of an ounce of everything, but we're going to boost it to 1 ounce a piece because Lord knows we need it after that. After that movie. So we got 1 ounce of mezcal, 1 ounce of Chartreuse, and you know the Chartreuse situation. I've used this the Fascio Bruto before. The Centauri? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce anything worth the crap. So, but it's still pretty good. 1 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. Well, I guess you don't have to use Luxardo, but just some kind of Maraschino Liqueur. 1 ounce of lemon juice. And it's shaking time. Now, it's to give it a little rinse. We're going to do the little spray. All right. So this ought to be interesting. Well, that's a whole lot of interesting flavors. You taste that mezcal. A little smoky. I don't taste the maraschino very well. The absinthe, you definitely get a whiff of it. And of course the lemon juice. I think The Last Word is a little better than this, but what are you gonna do? Drink too much of these, you won't be laughing anymore, I guess. Still better than the movie. Anyway, y'all know what to do. Cheers.